Next exercise, seed treatment and preparation of seed material for sowing. Seed treatment is a process of application of chemicals or protectants with fungicides, insecticides, bactericidal, bactericides, or insecticidal properties to seed that prevents the carries of insects or disease causing pathogens in, on, or seed while protect the seed from any kind of damage. Seed treatment also enables the seed to cover seedling infection by soil-borne pathogens. Condition requirement Conditions requiring seed treatments. First, injured seeds. Mechanical injury of seed caught, attack of insects, pests and diseases, and other such circumstances, it becomes essential to treat the seeds. Second, disease seeds. This seed may get infested during production, harvesting, threshing, which makes it necessary to treat the seed. Third, undesirable soil conditions. Undesirable soil conditions prevailing during seed production promotes growth and disease. Pathogens with insects with infected seed, hence it needs treatments. Seed treatment, chemicals, fungicides, mercurial, first organic mercurial seed treatment. These are used of treating small seeds, grains, flax, cotton, safflower, but the treated seed cannot be stored for longer time. Second, inorganic mercurials. The chemicals used belonging to this group are mercuric chloride, mercurious chloride, and mercuric oxides. But these chemicals are injurious to seed. सेकंड दूसरा बड़ा मेथड है नॉन मर्क्यूरियल साइड्स. इसका फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑर्गेनिक थायरम और कैप्टॉन आर द मोस्ट वाइडली यूज्ड एज they are safe for seed and users. The treated seed may be stored for longer time in this 2 gram per kg seed. 2 gram chemicals sufficient mercurial और ये कैप्टॉन जो थायरम और कैप्टॉन 2 ग्राम पर केजी सीड सफिशिएंट है. बी इनऑर्गेनिक कॉपर सल्फेट, कॉपर कार्बोनेट, क्यूप्रिक ऑक्साइड and the chemicals belonging to this group, these are injurious to lactose, crucifers, caution. The treatment should be given in order to of fungicide, insecticide, rhizobim, FIR. First we treat fungicide, then insecticide, and last we rhizobim से करते हैं. Method of equipments based upon type of chemicals used. First, dust treatment. In dust treatment, bulk of seed is retained by dust formulation, which do not require very complicated equipments. Factory made closed barrel type rotating drums can be used for this method. Next, wet treatment. Water soluble chemicals are dissolved in water in continuous and convenient size, and seeds are dipped for certain period of time. Then They are dried in shade and kept and storage. This method is time consuming and if seeds are not properly dried, it will likely to be damaged during storage. Metallic continuations are not suitable for mercury compounds as seed treatment. Slurry treatment. This slurry treatment method of seed treatment eliminates difficulties of both dry and wet treatments. This method is most suitable for vegetable powder formulations. The chemicals are mixed with small quantity of water and they then mixture is applied to seed in automatic. Next step, pelleting. It is most used as protect against soil organisms and repellent against birds and rats. Next, seed coating. Seed coating may be defined as the addition of material for seed, which may aid growth of survival of seedling plants. The method is most adopted in case of leguminous plants. Use inoculation, just such just like rhizobium culture treatment है ये सारे इसी में आते हैं. Seed treatment with black dormancy. Which seed treatment dormancy is the resting period of the seed, which is broken before sowing. Otherwise, proper germination is not possible.